Here we've got a custom patina on some Carlos Santos boots, and as always I'm starting by stripping the original finish with acetone. Here you can see one boot is very well stripped, and soon we'll get the other one the same. Starting the patina with beige by Fibings, and we're going to be doing a museum style patina on these. After a couple rounds with the beige, I've moved on to Fibing's light brown to continue the museum effect. I also decided to accent the broguing a little bit more with the light brown as well. I went back to the beige for a couple reasons. One, there was really a few too many lighter areas that were untouched with dye. And two, I like to use the lighter color over the darker light brown spots, as it'll kind of lighten them further and blend the spaces in between them a little bit better. Here you can see I went back to the light brown again to add a little bit more burnishing in to darken up a few areas, add more antiquing. Generally, I like to go consistently from light to dark, but when doing a museum finish like this, sometimes you have to kind of play around with it a little bit, and so I do end up bouncing around between the colors a little bit more than usual. After finishing up the dye work, I always like to rehydrate the leather, and so I'm using Bic 4 here. I like this as I've found that it removes the least amount of dye compared to the other conditioning lotions I have tried, and it doesn't darken the leather, which is nice. Um, and it also, as it removes the surface dye, it really lets you see the final color a lot better. So this is always a very rewarding step. After rehydrating both boots, I'm going to give them a good brushing with this horsehair brush from Abbey Horn. Next, I'm using some dark brown cream polish from Saphir, and this will help to burnish and also kind of blend the coloring a little bit better as well. Next, I'm using this lighter tan color of Saphir cream polish. After the cream polish is dried, it's time to brush down the shoes a second time. Now it's time to add some shine with Saphir Mirror Gloss. I will just be concentrating the wax on the toe and heel of the boot. Here we can see it's really started to develop a good shine. Just putting the last finishing touches on it now. I was really happy with the outcome on these. I really liked the patina color, and the shine on top of the pebble grain always looks really nice. But hopefully you enjoyed watching this custom patina.